So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So it looks like the stylist pretty much trimmed up the hair, cut the ends, and added some fresh color for this one. Nice, simple, and chic, effortless style. So next up we have a bob transformation. The stylist mixes in some color. And bam, beautiful blonde bob transformation, absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist did end up adding some waves for more of that tousled effect, and I think that cut looked chic both ways. So then we move into the next transformation. Looks like the stylist is cutting the ends, adding in some color. Oh, wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very subtle highlights were added. Beautiful face framing highlights as well. Gorgeous. So then we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist is going to do a bob haircut for this one. And this is definitely a classic bob, nice, simple, and effortless. Very pretty. So then we may see someone with long hair. She has kind of like a sandy blonde hair coloring. And the stylist chops the hair off. Adds in some color. Oh, she went more with like a bright blonde. The coloring, beautiful. I like the flipped out effect that the stylist did too. But then he switched it up with some curls, which is beautiful as well. really creating more of like that tousled bob effect. And then we have a pixie haircut transformation. Wow, followed by a big chop. So it looks like she's getting a pixie. Wow, she looks absolutely incredible. Love the color of this as well. Very pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.